Hi everyone, in front of me I've got Sony Xperia 1 Mark V, and let me share with you how to set the camera timer on this device. So first of all, let's open the camera app, and since we're in the standard photo mode, you can always check it right here. If you've got this camera icon highlighted in this orangish color, you're for sure on the photo mode. So in order to find the camera timer option, we have to tap on the option which is quite unexpected, I would say. Let's simply tap on this icon in the middle. Let's tap on it, and as you can see, right here we've got the single shooting option, which simply means that the timer is off, and here we can set either 3 or 10 seconds delay. So let me tap on 10 seconds delay. As you can see, the icon changed slightly, so you can always check if you've got the timer played and simply tap on the shutter button. And as you can see, from now on your device will count down from 10 or 3 depending on which option you've chosen, and after that time it will take a photo. Alright, of course you can turn it off whenever you want to. Just tap on it and pick this off option, so your device will take photos right after touching the shutter button. Alright, so that'll be all. Thank you so much for watching. I hope that this video was helpful, and if it was, please hit the subscribe button and leave the thumbs up.